lots of hair.
Yo, this is our first video, right?
Yep.
Right?
Yep. Okay, whatever.
And today, we're gonna be cutting my friend's hair. You know.
Zanamina! Don't get that license.
Don't get that.
I mean, it's Zarmina's hair. I don't know what
Okay,
license.
so I'm gonna go up to her tomorrow, and I'm gonna simply just cut her hair. She's gonna freak out. But oh shoot!
What the heck?
What the heck? Alright, so I'm about to come back from the bathroom, and I'm about to, you know, cut her hair. This is it. Alright? It's gonna be good. Wait, shh. We're doing a prank on them.
Whose hair is that? Fake hair.
It's for you too. Keep talking. Act like everything's happening.
Roseman, don't care.
He already knows. It's not gonna work. I already know. What is that? Wait. I hope she flips. I hope she flips. This is for what she did. Zorn. Shoot. Zorn. I mean, he's not ugly. That's not us to do as a prank. Bro,